Hey guys, this is Anirudh. In today's video, we are exactly going to see what I did and where I am now in YouTube. So basically, this channel was started on Feb 2020 and I'm on YouTube approx for 3 years. I only have best of tech, I have 2 or 3 other more channels. And the first video, and now if you get it over, you can see lots and lots of difference in the videos. The first one was shot on this tablet.
Hi friends, hello. Today I'm going to review the Samsung Guru FM Plus.
Now we upgraded to a phone which the camera quality is not excellent but does the job fine. And this is my phone, the Galaxy Note 10 Lite. So I shoot my this, and also the secondary camera is the Oppo Reno 6. The camera quality of the Oppo Reno 6 is fabulous for the price. You can see here the Oppo Reno 6. So these are the two cameras I use for my YouTube shooting videos and all. Hi friends, welcome back to Best of Tech. This is your Anirudh. In today's video, we are going to see the review of this fake Apple Watch T800 Ultra. So let's get started. So guys, this is where I sit basically, and this is the chair, and this is the table. This is the table where I sit, and this table is also on a cardboard, and this is the plywood basically, and this is the cardboard, and this is a chair, and behind that is an extension box. As you can see, there is an extension box, and also two RGB lights fit here. That's directly connected to there, and then this is another light. This is another light basically, which I use it directly to face here. So if you can see the difference. This adds like lots and lots of light here, like you can see here. See the difference? On, off, on, off, on. So that's the difference. This also adds up a lot of thing and lot of lightliness to this video. And the other one is this. This is the 25 watts tube light of Havells. This is kept here, and that will directly face my face. So I'm going to sit here, and here it faces my face directly here. And this is the Digitech tripod which I use. And over here I use a cooler box because I don't have two tripods, the big ones like this, so I only have one. So I use this cooler box, and then I put this in above it, and then I place my phone and I record it directly over there. So this actually adds in lots and lots of light. This Havells one, you can see here. If I switch it off, the room is literally dark. If I switch it on, it's good. Okay, and then here is this soft box. This is actually homemade, guys. The softbox is homemade. Here you can see the cardboard and all. I just kept a stick here, and then I joined it to that AC socket up, and then I made it up here by stopping it by a hammer. So that's how it stops. And this has an 18 volts LED bulb, 18 or 16 volts, I'm not exactly sure, but it has that. So these are the lights. So this is the so guys, this is basically the light of the RGB light. This is named as brick light, and this also comes with a remote. So I use them to light my background up like this. I'll show you guys. So on. So guys, this is how the background actually lights up. I'm going to change the color. So this is how it is. So guys, this is how it is. The color changes, and if all the lights on this and this, it gives a pretty good look. Like imagine this is my face. I'm the only person recording this video. So imagine this is the face, and then the behind this thing will also not be blown out, and a bit color grading would help your video to be good and elegant looking. So guys, this is for the first setup which I'm talking about, and this is the microphone. TikTok Live microphone. This one I got it for 150 rupees or 200 rupees. I'm not exactly sure. This one is there. And then this is the Boya microphone, Boya M1. This is a beast, guys. Not going to lie. The wire quality, everything is fabulous.
Hi guys, welcome back to Best of Tech. This is Yavan. In today's video, we are going to see a 300 rupees speaker review. So let's get started.
So guys, this is the second one. So basically, this is my MacBook Air, and then I would connect it directly through HDMI by this HDMI port, and then here you can see the Philips bulbs here. These are the Philips 10 watts Wi-Fi connected RGB lights. 16 billion colors it has. Okay, and I also did taping here for safety, for not getting shock and all those things. And here is the extension box, as you can see, and here are the RGB lights. So basically this will light up behind. Yes, I showed you the Boya mic, right? So this is how the Boya mic is actually like in the cover. I also use it for many videos. I'll also give a quick review on this soon. Here, if you see, here is the big tripod. This one I actually got it. I actually bought it basically with a ring light too, but then the ring light isn't working anymore. So yeah, and I'm just using the tripod. Tripod is fabulous. It will also grow height. It also touches the ceiling, guys. So yeah, and I place it here directly facing towards this table. So the table would actually be light seen, and this key light would actually, this Havells ka 25 watts thingy, the Havells 25 watts light would directly light up this and also my face. So 2-in-1, and it works pretty good.
Bluetooth speaker box. So this is how it actually looks like. MZ written here. TG113 Pro is the model number of this speaker, is written here.